All Canelo Alvarez, aka Ruby, wants for Christmas is cataract surgery. And Santa, Boston Terrier Rescue of East Tennessee, is going to grant his wish. What a handsome puppy to have cataracts so young. He has congenital cataracts, which is probably inherited. Ruby is a lover, not a fighter. Ruby wants to be close to humans and snuggle. He is a puppy, so he plays hard and sleeps even harder. Set a bowl of delicious food down and his nose will find it.
Can you sit? Sit. No, sit. Good boy.
Squeaky toys are super fun and he loves them.
What is that? What is that?
Ruby has already learned to sit and stay. Okay, maybe stay eludes him a little. If he has tugged at your heartstrings, please donate.